Question 1. Maximum number of seats in the Rajya Sabha is in A. Bihar, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Andhra Pradesh, D. West Bengal. Answer: Uttar Pradesh. Next question. Question 2. Who was the first chairman of the Planning Commission? A. Gulzari Lal Nanda, B. Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Narayana, D. Malvi. Answer: Jawaharlal Nehru. Next question. Question 3. Who was India's first president? A. Radha Krishnan, B. Zakir Hussain, C. V. Giri, D. Rajendra Prasad. Answer: D. Rajendra Prasad. Next question. Question 4. Who was the temporary chairman of the Constituent Assembly? A. Dr. Ambedkar, B. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, D. Dr. Satchidananda Sinha. Answer: D. Dr. Satchidananda Sinha. Next question. Question 5. Number of schedules in Indian Constitution. A. 7, B. 8, C. 9, D. 12. Answer: D. 12. Next question. Question 6. Who is the Constitution Head of India? A. Prime Minister, B. Chief Justice of the Supreme Court, C. President, D. Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Answer: C. President. Next question. Question 7. The head of the Indian Parliament system is the A. Prime Minister, B. President, C. Speaker of Lok Sabha, D. Speaker of Rajya Sabha. Answer: B. President. Next question. Question 8. Where is the Election Commission located? A. Chennai, B. New Delhi, C. Mumbai, D. Kolkata. Answer: B. New Delhi. Next question. Question 9. Who hosts the flag on Independence Day at Delhi Fort? A. President, B. Chief Justice, C. Prime Minister, D. Vice President. Answer: C. Prime Minister. Next question. Question 10. Alexandria is famous seaport of A. Iran, B. Egypt, C. Canada, D. America. Answer: B. Egypt. Next question. Question 11. Day of Happiness is celebrated on A. 20th March. B. 11th June. C. 22nd October. D. 20th July. Answer A. 20th March. Next question. Question 12. Which one of following is known as roof of world? A. The Pamir Plateau. B. Alps. C. Ural Mountains. D. Andes. Answer A. The Pamir Plateau. Next question. Question 13. Which country is largest producer of platinum? A. America. B. Italy. C. Canada. D. China. Answer C. Canada. Next question. Question 14. Which one of following is flightless bird? A. Swan. B. Duck. C. Hen. D. Emu. Answer D. Emu. Next question. Question 15. Who starts first in chess? A. Red. B. Black. C. White. D. Yellow. Correct answer C. 1. Next question. Question 16. Where are the Dolomites? A. India. B. China. C. Russia. D. Italy. Correct answer D. Italy. Next question. Question 17. When did the American Civil War end? A. 1956. B. 1856. C. 2012. D. 1857. Correct answer B. 1856. Next question. Question 18. When did the Second World War end? A. 1945. B. 1946. C. 1947. D. 1948. Correct answer A. 1945. Next question. Question 19. What horoscope sign has a crab? A. Libra. B. Mars. C. Zodiacs. D. Cancer. Correct answer D. Cancer. Next question. Question 20. What color is a panda? A. Red. B. Black. C. Black and white. D. White. Correct answer C. Black and white.